Good morning.
Good morning,
Sammy.
Good morning, Bonnie.
So we have lots to talk about today,
We do.
and we're gonna go over the new release. So we're gonna go show you everything that's in the new release. We're gonna talk about the glass block sale that's up. So everybody last week enjoyed the question, if you were a bird, what kind of bird would you be? And we didn't get a lot of responses yesterday, but here's another one, okay? If you were a dog, what kind of dog would you be? Okay, well, we will get started looking at some of our new release items. So this is new this week. And when I saw this, I said a bad word because I was so excited. I was just so blown away by this. Let me just take you on a journey here. This is Santa's workshop. So Santa's workshop above the door here. You can see Santa with his tree. I'm going to hold this up even closer to the camera. Little details in here are just incredible. Next thing we have is Santa and Poinsettia's stamp.
He is so jolly, y'all.
Yes. This design is great. I love these stamp designs. They're so versatile. These are great. They're quick. They're not super dense. This does have open to white stitching. So you're either going to want to stitch this on a light colored fabric or patch it on. These are the stamp coasters that we have been obsessed with. I had these on my sweatshirt that I wore last week, and then I also wore yesterday. I've just been wearing that sweatshirt constantly.
Because it's so fun.
These are fun to even use as just patches if you put them on a sweatshirt or something. I loved when I saw these. I was like, oh, they're like giant. They're postage stamps.
So cute.
But they're so cute.
Can we just all take a moment to just acknowledge these little nuggets? And the fun thing about all these days of the weeks is you can actually skip the last color stop and remove the text.
Look at this. This is an organza and lace bell. And we actually just threaded this little ribbon through here and then put a little jingle bell inside. So next thing we're gonna show is this horse and barn design. And so this is beautiful. It's light stitching. It's quick to stitch out and it's just gorgeous, so elegant. It's got the little cardinals in there. Decorative Delight Christmas ornaments. They come in 3 sizes, 8x8, 7x7, and 5x7 here. So this is just beautiful. Such beautiful shading on this. This is a little bit more of an advanced design to pull off, but worth it if you want that challenge. Lace edge holly and berry coasters. These are in a 5x5 and a 4x4 size. We have had these at other times of the year, so if you really like this style, we have sort of like spring summer versions of them. There's a one with bees on it. There's one with like berries. I love this design.
I love this tutorial.
And this tutorial. This is a tutorial of how to make this napkin. These are 3 little baking gnomes that you're looking at here. They have little Christmas details on their heads. I'm going to hold this up for the camera. Boop. This is an older design that we based it off of. So if you have the plain one, it has quite a few more color changes in it than this. For this one, we really simplified it down as far as the number of color stops. Merry Christmas Chicken Nest. This comes in the 7x12, 8x8, 5x7 size as well. You guys, look at. So we were just talking about the Jingle Bell had the sound in it.
Yeah.
But this is so reminiscent of like, you can almost smell Christmas through here because it's got like that pine. Here, I'll hold this up here.
Citrus.
The pine and the citrus in it. No, because now we're going to talk about the glass block sale. So one of the first things in here that is hung up behind us right here is this stained glass sunset scene. It's a 3-panel, and it's not just mirrored on either side either, so just be aware of that. There are 3 separate images. There's a stained glass garden design pack. This one is on organza, so if you hung this in your window, it would be like a real stained glass piece. Yeah, woodland snowman stained glass.
Look at me go.
Stained glass panel 1 and 2. Beautiful, just because you can see all of the different ways you can use these stained glass designs. I love this too. It's the depth. Sorry. Autumn sunrise pheasant stained glass square. So even if you're looking for like to do like a 4 seasons thing for going into 2025, we've got you covered in this sale. We've got it all. And don't forget to check back for what other deals we offer with 12 days of deals, because there's more coming. Anyway, thanks everybody. It's been so nice to talk with you all today.
Bye.